If I thought he could stop me, I wouldn't go out and play. No, he can't stop me. I think we're evenly matched. We play similar. We like to steal inside, and then we can step out a little bit and hit the shot. So I think it'll be a good matchup.
Well, here's Parada. Sinasabi niya kanina, tinanong siya, can Red Ralimi stop you? Ang sagot ni Parada, no, he cannot stop me, but I think Ralimi would beg to differ. Ano? Because certainly in this game, Ralimi has shown his ability to really go toe-to-toe with Parada, who is regarded as the best defensive import in this conference.
Eto, kita mo itong matchup nitong dalawang ito. Sa puntos lamang si Ralimi. Rebound, tabla. Shot blocks ang kwento. 5 shot blocks for Red Ralimi. Wala pa. Itong si Adam Parada. Parang sinasabi ni Ralimi kay Parada, Mexican Alley of the US.
I will not even. Reds Alvarez starts the fourth quarter with his fifth point of the ball game. So we welcome you to the payoff period as you look at the scoring by quarters.
Tablan-tabla nangyari ng third quarter. Actually, a 1-point lead of Pure Foods at the end of the first half, and that's the same lead they are having right now.
7 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. That shot by Villanueva was blocked by Rayback. Red Bull on top by 1, and Celino Cruz fires a 3. Pure Foods begins the final quarter with Roger Yap, Kirby Raimundo, Chico Lanete, Vico Villanueva, and Peter Jun Simon.
And both imports resting.
Raimundo, inabot ni Rayback, but Raimundo got flipped on the arm.
Ordinarily, that move of Kirby Raimundo is a sure two-pointer. Pero ngayong gabi, medyo hirap na hirap din. At struggling itong si Kirby Raimundo. In fact, he only has 7 points scoreless in the second half of play. In fact, yung huling laban nila sa kupunan ng Barangay Ginebra, naka-recover na itong si Kirby Raimundo dahil a bit struggling din itong si Kirby Raimundo after an injury.
We're tied at 69. Dito sa maunang bahagi ng fourth and final quarter. Here's Duncil. At winasiwas ni Duncil si Peter Jun Simon. Oh, check that. Mick Penisi with an illegal pick.
An offensive foul would be charged on Mick Penisi, who was a bit surprised dun sa tawag na yun. In fact, si Coach Cheng was asking for a foul. Doon kanina kay Jojo Duncil had the ball. Instead, an offensive foul was called on Red Bull.
Here's Raimundo. Villanueva gets the offensive rebound. Bagong shot lang para sa Pure Foods. Lanete for 3. No go. Tantindi ng tulakan sa ilalim.
Over the back foul on Kirby Raimundo over his national team teammate Mick Penisi. Pangatlo na yun para kay Kirby Raimundo. At sa kupunan ng Pure Foods, unang team foul pa lang yan dito sa last quarter of play. Tablang-tabla. Only our third deadlock in fact in this game.
Here's Alvarez. Cruz. Good body control.
At minsan, hirap talagang i-check ng mga kaliwete, no? Just like si Celino Cruz, who now has 11 points.
2 free throws for the Raging Bull.
Kanina pang gustong pumeso nitong si Rico Villanueva dun sa low post na yun, eh. Seeing that Mike Rayback is not that great a low post defender, talagang inihingi niya yung bola. Now that he's given, he will go to the free throw line instead.
Here's our Buhay Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad, kaya ang Buhay Coke buksan mo.
At wag ka, that fantastic shot galing almost a fumble from Adam Parada. Sinalba talaga ni Cyrus Baguio.
What's up? And Villanueva with that split makes it a 1-point game in favor of Red Bull, 71-70, with over 9 minutes to go in the ball game. Here's Cruz. Laban kay Roger Yap. Celino Cruz on the move. He fires and scores.
Back-to-back hits by Celino Cruz. 13 big points for the small man. So yung mga point guards si Coach Cheng, yung talagang effective na effective dito sa ating laban na ito. Topex was very effective kanina sa pagpapahinga niya. Ganun din ito si Celino Cruz.
That was a hard-earned basket para kay Kirby Raimundo, who's now in double figures with 10. Pero lamang pa rin ang Red Bull, 73-72. Celino Cruz once again. Yes, sir!
Even with the hand on his face, si Enrico Villanueva, nahuli na yung kanyang depensa. Tinaklo pa na lang ang mata ni Celino Cruz, pero nagawa pa rin ibusko ang bola.
15 points para kay Celino Cruz off the bench. Deerfoot's down by 3. James Yap hounded by Jojo Duncil. James Yap with a one-hander, no go.